In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a group on Microsoft To Do. Whether you're managing a project, planning an event, or just trying to keep your family's chores in order, sharing your Microsoft To-Do lists can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step process to make list sharing seamless and efficient. Let's start by getting you to Microsoft To Do. Begin by navigating to the To Do website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on this to proceed. Microsoft To Do requires you to sign in with your Microsoft account to access your lists and tasks. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's a straightforward process. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. If your account is set up with additional security measures like two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone or secondary email handy for verification. Once you've entered your email, click on Next to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter your password. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll have access to your Microsoft To Do dashboard. Now let's get to the main feature of today's tutorial, sharing a group. Navigate to My Day in Microsoft To Do. Here you'll find all the tasks and lists you've planned for the day. But what we're interested in today is not just any list, it's about sharing a group of tasks. So go ahead and select the list you want to share. It's worth noting that sharing can help you delegate tasks or simply keep everyone involved updated with the progress of a project or event plans. Upon selecting the list, you'll see various options, but look for the Share button. Clicking this button opens up a new set of options dedicated to sharing your selected group. We're aiming to create an invitation link, so go ahead and click on Create Invitation Link. This generates a unique URL that you can share with anyone you want to have access to the list. At this point, you have a couple of options for sharing this link. One convenient way is to click on Invite via email, which allows you to directly send the invitation link to your contacts. However, if you prefer more control over how and where to share the link, the next step is for you. Click on Copy Link. This copies the link to your clipboard, enabling you to paste it into any messaging platform, email, or wherever else it makes the most sense for your needs. Remember, anyone with access to this link will be able to view and edit your list, so it's best to share responsibly. It's an incredibly powerful feature for collaborative efforts, be it in a professional setting, within your community, or even between friends and family planning something special together. As a final tip, always review the list you're sharing. Make sure it contains only the tasks and information you're comfortable sharing. Microsoft To Do also allows you to manage your shared lists, so you can revoke access at any time should the need arise. And that, dear viewers, is how you can share a group on Microsoft To Do. I hope this guide makes your collaborations more productive and helps you manage your tasks more efficiently. Whether you're working on a big project or planning a personal event, sharing a to-do list can keep everyone aligned and informed. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.